Hi, Happy New Year to you. I'm here to demystify financial analysis for all of you. Do you believe me if I said analyzing a corporate and their financials is just a common sense and it's a part of human instinct? Yes, we all have that in us. Just that we do not know how to apply them in perspective. Traditional teaching in universities and institutions package all these in few semesters with high funda concepts, jargons and complex formulae, making it very difficult and fearful for people. Also, more often than not, the focus is on just passing the exams. What surprises me even more is that the Institute's focus on analyzing companies has always been from equity side despite the global credit markets being several times larger than equity markets. In reality, the opportunities on the credit side are much higher than equity and the analytical focus for analyzing credits is at times divergent to that of equity. So how about demystifying these concepts first and then appreciating the contrasting analytical focus? Okay, let me give you an example. You would know that a gross profit is arrived after deducting costs from revenues. But isn't it interesting to know why and when do we calculate gross profit in the first place? Is it applicable in all cases? What does this gross profit tell you that operating income and net income don't tell you? Okay, let me give you another example. While capital expenditures, dividend payments, share repurchases are appreciated by equity analysts, do you know credit analysts would not view this positively? On top of that, do you know within credit, the analytical focus changes for different products? Do you agree with me if I say profit is an opinion while cash is a fact? Do you remember your happiest days when balance sheet tied up? Assets match liabilities. This is not fluke, guys, but a pure science, and this comes with right perspective and a bit of common sense. How about if all of these are made very simple to understand and interpret, and that too for free? Yes, you heard it right. Absolutely free. Hey, my name is Santosh, an MBA in Finance, an FRM from GARC, United States, an advanced commercial lender from London Institute of Banking and Finance. I've spent around 20 years performing financial analysis of companies. In my career span, I've interviewed hundreds of candidates for several positions. My number one observation has been that while candidates top their exams and can explain the jargons with formulae, they miserably fail when it comes to real life applications. When I put them in a situation, they just don't know how to apply what they know. Sad, isn't it? So, I want to do a bit to help people who are caught in this tangle. Not just another training, but really demystify concepts. I intend to post a series of videos regularly on YouTube where I will demystify company and financial analysis both from credit and equity perspective, demystify relationship between income statement, balance sheet and cash flow statements. I promise you that I will never use any bookish definition. So, calling upon everyone who's interested, students, professionals who are on the job, professionals who want to make a career switch to access my video for free. Yes, I say it again, absolutely free. All that you need to do is like and subscribe my video and watch it at your own pace and convenience. Further, I am also available to answer your questions on anything related to the topic that I have already covered or yet to cover, offer any live training, workshop, etc. You could also reach out to me on my email tonsesantosh@gmail.com and let's take it forward. Have a great year ahead and speak to you all soon. Thank you.